What's up guys, Yogesh here from Utilize the Business. As a Builderall affiliate, do you actually know how many different ways you can make money through Builderall affiliate program? If the answer is no, this is the video for you. Here I'm going to go through different ways you can make money through Builderall affiliate programs, and stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you my recommended way where you'll be able to make a lot more money through Builderall affiliate program. Let's go. Welcome back. So before I go through this video and explain to you how you can, as a Builderall affiliate, how many different ways you can make money and how much money you want to make monthly, and then work backwards towards how many sales you needed, this and that. First thing you know about Builderall is they made some changes as of October 1st, 2020. They made it, now it's Builderall 4. And they've made some changes to their plan, their pricing plan, and also made some changes to the affiliate ways they accept affiliates. Now, before going through it, if this is your first time watching this video from this channel, do me a favor, subscribe to it and hit the notification button for any new videos that we come out every week. You'll get notified. Our videos is all about making money online. I'll go through different programs that we do with and actually help out people how they can make money online. So there it is. Now let's go back to this video. First thing, as we're talking about the changes they've made it now. So the plan wise, they have it for $69.90, which is their now premium plan. Before they used to have a lot of different plans, and now they also have this new one. This is the funnel club. So go a little bit details. How will this add up to, how can this plan can help you as an affiliate? So going back to you as an affiliate, how many ways you can make money. The first way you can make money obviously is promote Builderall through your paid ad or organic ways, or through your network of people who actually can use Builderall. Show people how they can use Builderall as a sales funnel. And top of that, the Builderall has its all-in-one platform, so they don't need to actually go out and invest in any other software in order for their online presence to go on. So be it email, be it their chat, all of that. So Builderall has more than enough programs that they can use. For all they need is sales builder tool, email marketing, and they just need platforms where they can contact with their leads. So Builderall does that, and a pretty affordable price. You can see it, $69.90. It's really good compared to what other sales funnel builder charges you. For example, Clickfunnels, Katra, etc. Builderall also have 2-tier commission process for the affiliate. So first tier is when you're making sales directly to someone. So once you make the directly sales, you get the first month, you get 100%, and then remaining on you get 30% of the sale. The second tier is so that if you sell Builderall to somebody and they're using as a sales funnel, but they also have in their own network, and somebody else wants to use the same sales funnel that you sold it, that person can actually sell them that, and then you will get a second tier commission from that. So second month you'll get the 30%, and that person gets 30%. So those are the two different ways you can make money. One is directly, and one is the indirectly from the person who sold it to the next person. Now Builderall also have the earning calculator, where it gives you an idea of how much money you can actually make month in, month out passively while building this business. So let's say you can make 15 sales. I'm just going to go on the conservative side. So let's say you can make 15 sales monthly. So 15 sales meaning 15 new customers, and they're using your sales, and some of them will be promoting Builderall. So let's say even number, let's go to another 15 of them, and let's say to round it off, another 15 of those one they can just do one a year, so 15 altogether. So this is your recurring monthly income after 1 year. So 1 year of you building this business, where you've built up 15 direct, and then there are other affiliates who are also building and selling Builderall, promoting Builderall, and you can make close to $5,000 every month after a year of building. So that's recurring income every month. And then you can just go plus and minus to see what is your monthly goal, and you know how many sales or how many things you like to achieve to get that. So that's one way of making income through Builderall affiliate. The next way where how you can make money as a builder affiliate through the Builder affiliate program, and this is one I've recommended to you guys. Within the funnel club, they have the niche funnels. So this is the funnel that targeted to small business owners or people who are selling their services such as real estate, accountant, etc. And you can actually give them this pre-made funnel, and they can use it for their business. And once they start using it, they'll have to set up an account with Builderall, and once they do that, you end up making money as an affiliate. So if you go to niche funnels, they have these funnels for every niche you could take off. They have close to they have close to 50 and more. They keep on adding it. So the first one is, this is for dental. If somebody is in a dental and they need that, if you go down, there's a photographer, real estate agent, tutor. And now at the time of this video was created, a lot of small business owners are transiting into the online. So they're looking to get into online. They're looking for somebody to help them to get on online. Reason being, they're not tech savvy and they need somebody. That's where you come in as a builder affiliate who can help them, you know, solve this problem of how to transit into online so the business can survive. And what better way of where in Builderall you already have this pre-made funnels where you don't have to do anything. You just have to customize themselves, where the main framework of the funnel is already done. So what you got to do is, you know, you can just copy this, and you can just go here and give them this link, and here they have it. This website, and if they want this one, they click on this and set up their own program. So how easy it is. You know, Builderall is giving you something that people needed, and I mean, you do have to do work, but I'm talking about you don't have to build this funnel from scratch. It's already pre-milled. You just have to customize it and you know, give this link to, you know, somebody who's in the restaurant business. Whatever niche you could think of, people you can have, all you gotta do is give this and let them do that. On top of that, now there are some people who are saying, listen, Yogesh, I'm busy with my own work. I don't have time to spend on actually customize this. Can you do that for me? Now, hey, more the better. You can do that. You can charge some you know, additional fee on top of this, but the thing is, everything is done for you. Funnel and everything is done for you. Let's look at this one, which is dog grooming, another niche that can help with all of this done for you. You don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is give them this link, show how it works, and then all they do is click on this and enter their info, and boom, you make a sale. So this is what I'll recommend it to you guys to actually shoot for it and get it done, which is much easier, helping people to solve their program, business owners to solve their program. And if you do that, they will not have any more questions, and they will gladly, you know, sign in to the Builderall using your affiliate link. People who are interested to become affiliate for Builderall, either they can sign on this and this. I'll just go for this because I showed you this will be a lot much better for you to help other people and, you know, get more accounts under Builderall, where they already have pre-made 15 niche funnels. They already have, you know, niche funnels for agencies, so you can take that route. You know, they also have a niche funnel for list building, lead magnet included. So you don't have to do any work. All the work is done for you. All you got to do is just customize to it. So Hopefully you guys take advantage of this strategy that I talked about it at this later half of the video, and if you do, let me know in the comments which niche you are actually going to target and be successful. Alright guys, the links will be in the description for you to sign up with the Builderall and go from there. Alright guys, thanks guys for watching this, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye.